welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another video. If this is your first time of seeing this amazing beautiful face, I'm Stephy and you're welcome to this face. My returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I'm actually looking down because I have something here I'm looking at. It's an unboxing video. I don't know how this video is going to be, but I have an unboxing here to do, like so many unboxings. See, I have so many things. Let it focus. Let it focus on it. Are you guys seeing it? It's so much, but before then, you guys, I finally got my gas cooker. Like, I am so excited about it. It's not even showing on my face. I'm not feeling too well, but I'm so excited about it. I finally got the cooking gas I wanted. Not really the one I wanted. See, all this small noise people are hearing. It's from this chair. I don't know why the chair is now making a lot of noise, but so sorry about it. So I finally got my cooking gas that I'll be showing you guys shortly. Okay? Let me show you guys first. It's been mounted already. So I want to show you guys why I didn't even carry you guys that I went to buy it is because I've gone to buy gas 2 times. I think I've carried you guys in a vlog twice where I went to buy gas and I ended up not buying it because I didn't get the one I wanted. So that day I just went and I was like, let me not video it. If I get there, if I don't see the one I like, I'll just come back home. Just come back home and continue searching. But luckily for me, I went out that day and I saw the one I like that I'll be showing you guys soon. So let's go and then come back to do the unboxing. Okay?
Okay. Okay, we fixed him already. But he needs to take off this.
Okay, yeah,
right?
sure.
And once he comes, he'll take off all this. It's been fixed already. So let's just remove it and leave it for.
Guys, I have a new gas. Can you guys see that? I finally decided to buy this one because if I'm there looking for the one I want, I will not get it. So I wanted a black top, like here. I need to remove this. If I remove this now, to be silver. You guys see it to be silver. So I wanted here to be black. See this small hand here. So I wanted here to be black, but it's not bad. See this small hand. Did I ask you to remove it? So yeah, so it's just to take out this wrap here, and then here with silver. I'm so excited. Like I finally bought a new gas cooker and oven. So this one came with oven. Let me show you guys. This one came with oven. I'm so excited. Like I wanted one that has a glass door. Like when I put something inside, you can see what is inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the way it's showing it too, but this is it. It has a glass. You can see what is inside. Like, see my hand from the outside, right? So yeah, from the outside like this. So yeah, this is it. So excited. So I bought this Maxi products, and then this electric cooker, not like I said electric, gas cooker, not electric. So they said I think they said gas is better, and then the iron, this cast iron too, this cast iron, this thing is better than the other piping iron or something. I don't know, but I just asked questions and they referred me to this one. I got this one for $2.59. It has a cover like this, then you can open it like this. And they said insurance and everything, which is optional, but I just decided to pay for it. I think I paid everything for everything was $267 697,000 naira. So yeah, this is everything I paid for. And to be honest, I'm so glad about it. Like, I really needed to change my gas. It's been having issues, one issue or the other. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for the gas guy to come. I called my gas person to come fix it for me. So I'm waiting for him to come fix it. Let me show you guys. I bought the 5 burner. Yeah. So I bought the 5 burner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said, let me not buy the electric, like the one that has what's it called, the electric seater, the hot plate here, because obviously I don't use it. Even my own that has that one, I don't use it. So this is better. I can be cooking in all 5 at once instead of that electric middle one without me using it. So yeah, this is my new gas. You guys, I'm so excited. Catch you guys later. Bye. So yeah, welcome back. Where are we starting from? Let's start from the small item here. See, I have this big one here. Do you guys see it? But let me keep it. So I have this one here, and then I have this one as well. These ones are from COOKER. See you guys, I stopped ordering things from COOKER because of their delivery fee became so expensive. Imagine, from 700 to my house to 2,000 something. And if I order for 3 things at once, they will still collect 2,000 naira each for the delivery. So me, I'm like, it's so expensive. And they'll bring it together and then collect 2,000 naira each for the delivery, no matter how small the thing is. So I decided to stop ordering until one of their delivery guy now told me that I can actually do the prime something something. I can't remember. If I remember the name, I'll put it on the screen here. So I'll pay 3,000 or the higher amount. So I have a chance to, I think, order for something 15 times without paying under that 3,000. I don't know if I'm making sense with that. So yeah, that's what I did. So yeah, I'm back to ordering from COOKER because that delivery fee was chasing me. I hate delivery fee, like it's so annoying. I don't know why I order for something for maybe 1,000 or 2,000, and then I'll be paying delivery fee of 2,000. Doesn't even make sense. It doesn't make sense. So I'm back. I ordered this one. So we are going to start with the COOKER unboxing. I thought I brought the scissors here. Yeah. So this is I think this is the one they brought today. Excuse me. I think this thing is taking my, let me shift it here. So this is the order they brought today. Okay, yeah, this is a paper towel. It's a reusable paper towel. I don't buy it because it's reusable. It's stronger than the normal paper towel, so that's why I prefer buying it. Yeah, so this is it. I bought 4 of it. 4 of this. This is 4 of that. And then I think this is the spray paint I ordered for. This one I'm starting up a vlog with unboxing. It's going to be unboxing all through. So this is the spray paint I ordered for. Why is this spray paint so old? So I ordered for black, pink, black, and glossy black and glossy white. I want to use it for, there's somewhere I want to use it to spray. That's why I ordered for this one. I think this is 1,800 each. And then I don't know what this is. Okay, I think this is the chopping board I ordered for. See, I have a lot of chopping board. I don't even know why I ordered for this thing. Seriously. Actually, I forgot to remove it in my card, to be honest. I like unboxing, but I don't like unboxing that stresses me. Just open. I don't know why you're stressing me. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is it. I love, love, love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways, then this one is the kitchen mat I bought. So I wanted kitchen mat for my kitchen. This is the way this thing is. I think this their own is inferior. It looks like now this kitchen mat. Was it this one I ordered for? This is not the one I ordered for. COOKER will not kill you. Like, you order for something else, they'll bring me something else. This is not the particular one I ordered for. Eh? Because I know white is going to be staining now. It's not the particular one I ordered for now. You'll see the design I ordered for. Are you guys seeing it? See the design I ordered for. And then see the design Konga gave me. See the design Konga gave me. So annoying. Like, I'm angry right now. Because I saw this one, I didn't pick it because I know this white is going to be stained. Rita, I'm coming! I didn't pick this one because I know this white is going to be stained. So I ordered for this set of knife. I'm so down right now. I don't know if it's because of this thing Konga sent to me or something else, but it's one of those things, right? So I ordered for this set of knife, and then this what has been tormenting me since. So I finally have it. Set of knife. Let's open it. So the order for this set of knife. And then this one too decided to give me something else. Why I ordered for something else? I don't even understand people. If you don't have it, why not just say you don't have it? I don't get it. I told her I wanted the plain black, and then she gave me this one with pattern. I don't even understand people. And if you don't have it, and I was so laying emphasis on it, if you don't have it, is it not you told me you don't have it? Eh? Anyways, let me do the unboxing. She's going to come and take it because this is not what I ordered for. I ordered for something else, and then she'll give me something else because she doesn't have time. So this is it. I'm just going to be putting the picture here because I don't want to unbox this. I want to return it. I think, yeah, let me just show you guys how it's looking here. It's going to be set. I don't know if you guys can see that. How it's going to look when you set it is a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus this pillar, like the pillar, the scissors, the what's it called, file, and then 1 2 3 4 5 set of knife. So yeah, that is it for this one. Let's go into the pots, which is the main deal. Seriously, this one is it. Like, I just wanted a pot I'll be using for jollof rice anytime I want to make jollof rice. So that's why I ordered for, like, I just wanted, is that aluminum pots they call it? So I ordered for this. It's a set of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Let's just bring it out one after the other. Like, this pot has been tormenting me. Everywhere I go, I see this pot on Instagram. So this is it. Let me just bring that one. So yep, this is it. The pot is flat, though. It's not that deep. This is a 33 centimeter. This is a 33 centimeter, but this is beautiful though. Then this is the biggest one, which is the 36 centimeter. This is not bad anyways. This can actually carry rice for me, my jollof rice. So these, this is the cover. Okay, no, this is the third baby. Okay, the first child. That's the. Okay, let me show you guys. This is the father, the mother, the first child, the second child, the third child, and then the last one of the family. This is so cute. Can you guys see this? This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I like the smallest one. It's so cute. So I got this for 60,000. Yeah, I got this for 50,000. I got the knife for, is it 18? I mean 19.5. I can't really remember, but if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. This is so beautiful. This is the cover. It has this knot on the top that we need to screw on it. So I'm just going to arrange them after this video. Okay. So yeah, this is it. I know this unboxing is so boring, but you guys are just gonna manage it like that. Okay. So yeah, that is all I got. To come to the end of this unboxing, let me go and chat this lady up and then see how this, like, I'm so upset. Why did they give me this one? And this chair will not just stay one place. Anyways, I don't know, but I'm just so excited about the parts. You guys see me? Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to catch you guys next time. I'm going to see you in this video, okay? For now.